Welcome back my YouTube channel. The 2025 Force Gurkha is expected to continue its legacy as a rugged, no-nonsense off-road SUV while incorporating modern features to compete with rivals like the Mahindra Thar and Maruti Suzuki Jimny. Known for its exceptional off-road capabilities, the new Gurkha will likely come with a ladder frame chassis, four-wheel drive 4x4 with front and rear locking differentials, and a factory-fitted snorkel for superior water-wading abilities. The biggest highlight for 2025 is expected to be the introduction of a 5-door variant, expanding its practicality while retaining its iconic boxy design. Expected engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Gurkha is expected to continue using the 2.6L Mercedes-derived diesel engine, producing around 90 PS and 250 Nm of torque. It will likely be mated to a 5-speed manual transmission with a low-range transfer case. Force Motors may also introduce a more powerful version to better compete with its rivals. The SUV is built on a rugged platform designed to handle extreme off-road terrains, making it a favorite among adventure enthusiasts. Exterior and interior updates. The design is expected to retain its boxy, old-school SUV aesthetics, with minor tweaks such as LED headlights, a redesigned grille, and possibly larger alloy wheels. The 5-door variant will offer improved practicality with increased cabin space. Inside, the 2025 Gurkha may feature a larger touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster, and improved upholstery for enhanced comfort. Off-road capabilities. One of Gurkha's strongest selling points is its off-road performance. It boasts an impressive ground clearance of around 205 mm, high approach and departure angles, and all-terrain tires. The inclusion of front and rear locking differentials further enhances its ability to tackle challenging terrains, making it a serious competitor in the off-roading segment. Expected launch and price. The 2025 Force Gurkha 5-door is expected to launch in India by mid to late 2025, with an estimated price range of Rs 15 to 18 lakh ex-showroom. The 3-door variant will also continue to be offered, possibly with minor updates. With its legendary off-road capabilities, improved features, and a more practical 5-door version, the 2025 Force Gurkha is set to be a strong contender in the lifestyle SUV segment. Would you like a comparison with the Mahindra Thar 5-door or details on its official launch date?